In this video, I am going to tell you about some important points in relation to the innervation, so you can never ever going to mistake. So please remember it. Number 1 point: all muscles of tongue are innervated by your 12th cranial nerve, except palatoglossus muscle, which is innervated by your 10th cranial nerve. Second point: all muscles of the palate are also innervated by your 10th cranial nerve, or you can also known as vagoaccessory complex, except tensor valley palatine muscle, which is innervated by your 5th cranial nerve, third branch, that is the mandibular branch. Third important point: all muscles of the larynx are innervated by their recurrent laryngeal nerve, that is your branch of your 10th cranial nerve, except cricothyroid muscle, which is innervated by your external laryngeal nerve or external branch of superior laryngeal nerve, external branch of your superior laryngeal nerve. It is also a branch of your 10th cranial nerve. Okay, so larynx, palate, tongue, and all muscles of the pharynx are also innervated by your 10th cranial nerve, or also known as vagoaccessory complex, except styloglossus muscle, which is innervated by your 9th cranial nerve, that is your glossopharyngeal nerve. And one more muscle you can remember here, that is the cricopharyngeus muscle. Okay, cricopharyngeus muscle, it is innervated by your recurrent laryngeal nerve. So please remember this slide forever, very very important one. All muscles of tongue are innervated by your 12th cranial nerve, except palatoglossus, which is innervated by your 10th cranial nerve. All muscles of the palate, it is innervated by your 10th cranial nerve, that is the vagoaccessory, except tensor valley palatine, which is innervated by your 5th cranial nerve, third branch, that is the mandibular branch. All muscles of the larynx are innervated by the recurrent laryngeal nerve, except the cricothyroid muscle, which is innervated by superior laryngeal nerve, external branch. All muscles of the pharynx is innervated by your 10th cranial nerve, that is the vagoaccessory complex, except the styloglossus, which is innervated by your 9th cranial nerve. Okay, please remember